Hello, my name is Ryan Rupert D. Ponce from M1B, and I will be doing the bed to wheelchair, wheelchair to stretcher. So first, I first greet and identify the patient. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ryan Rupert D. Ponce, your student nurse. May I know your name and birthday po?
Lydia Ponce, May 25, 1978.
May I check your wristband po? Okay. Now we will do the hand sanitizing. First is tatanggalin muna natin yung blanket if meron man na nakalagay kay patient. Now is itataas natin yung paa ni patient. Now is isa-side natin siya. Now is ibababa na natin yung paa ni patient. Tulungan na natin siya. Hawak ko sa Now, ililipat na natin si patient. 1, 2, 3. Then, iaayos na natin yung paa ni patient if naka-wheelchair siya. Now, gagawin naman natin ngayon is wheelchair or wheelchair to bed. Okay, ma'am. First is, tatanggalin muna natin yung paa niya sa wheelchair. Now, is papahawak sa atin si patient. 1, 2, 3. Now, pwede na po kayong humiga, ma'am. Tataas natin yung paa ni patient. Then, iaayos na. Then, magbablank. That's all. Thank you.